Hello friends, as we have seen in the previous video that the Trojans means they fought very bravely against the Greek. The same Greek soldiers were also fought very bravely with the Trojans, as that the Greeks were unable they to break down the great wall of the Trojans. The same that the Trojans also did not get success in breaking the siege of the Greek soldiers, and this war was going on near about 9 years continuously. Both Trojans and Greeks, both they were tired of this war. It was the routine work of theirs to get up early in the morning and to be ready for the fight that means in this way that Greek and Trojans were tired of this war. The Trojans common people were also tired of war because they did not that get out from the great gate and to enjoy the open beach. They were always that year packed behind the great wall, so that they were tired. Plus here Greek soldiers were also tired of war because they were 9 years away from their country and family members also. So at last Odius, the Greek soldier, me that year he that suggested that to make a secret plan of Trojan horse, that means a big horse, big wooden horse. And as the planning, as that year, according to the plan, that Odius and the king of Greek Melanus and other brave soldiers, they hid themselves inside the that wooden horse, and in this way that these people they hid themselves in tired of war, and they came that inside the horse. And as we have seen the next morning that what the Trojan soldiers they came out to fight, but by seeing the open land, by seeing the open sea, they became shocked, and by wandering they came around the that big wooden horse. In the beginning, first they were shocked by seeing very much big statue of wooden of horse, but as that year people gathered, they minutely observed the wooden horse, and then they came to know that at the feet of the horse they saw a soldier was there, and he was a Greek soldier, and he was the only one who could explain the secret of that wooden horse, so that the Trojan soldier dragged him out. Then in the beginning that Greek soldier he that frightened, and actually he was pretending, because it was going on according to the secret plan of Odius, and that Greek soldier was pretending that he was frightened. Then the Greek Trojans dragged him out from the that horse, and they were asking the secret of that wooden horse. First said that why the Trojan soldier asked the Greek soldier, why and where are all those Greek soldiers, where is that Greek army? Then replied this Greek soldier that all these Greek soldiers were tired of this war, and being tired, they give up this war, and they decided to go back to their country, means Greece. And then that what here? Then why are you were here? And this then that the Greek soldier made false story, and that story means what? Said that I remained here. That is also another story. That Greek soldiers, they burned out their tents and they turned back to their Greek, and it is very lengthy voyage. And lengthy voyage, for that voyage he said that secret of that wooden horse. Then the Greek soldiers, they ran away. Means this is the misunderstanding of Trojans. Then Trojans again and again asked about the secret of big wooden horse. Then he said that, means that Greek soldier replied, this Greek said that this wooden big horse means it is nothing but it is offering to the god of sea, because it is a lengthy voyage to Greece, and on the way they did not want any disturbance from the sea, so they wanted very safely to reach their Greece, and so that they offered this wooden horse not for that any other, but this they offered this for the sea. Then another Trojan that asked, he made that here doubt. Okay, no problem there. But why it is so big? It is very much big. Why? Then for this wise answer, the Greek soldier another made that story and said that what? This is a very big wooden horse, because that they made that. Again he hesitated to say it's a secret, but the Trojans made him frightened and said that here, if you did not give us the answer, then they will kill to death there. Then what? At last the Greek soldier opened the secret of this wooden horse, but it was also false story, and said that they made this is very huge that wooden horse statue. Because of that, means Trojans very easily should not drag it inside the city. If you drag it very easily, then what? It's that benefit will go to Trojans. Means that the sea god will that here look for Trojans, and they did not want it. Means that the Greek soldiers did not want that the luck of this big horse should not go to these Trojans, so that they made it is very much huge wooden statue of horse. By listening this false story, Trojans became very much happy, and they were in that misunderstanding that the Greek soldiers ran away, and now it is very peace in our city. It is we are that away from the war, and we get that relief from the war, and this is the end of war, and without any that they thought own the war. But there was a big question in front of the people. What to do with this statue? As that the false story of that Greek soldier said that he had to drag inside the city, this thought spread among the people, and the people and soldiers, they decided to drag the statue inside the city. But among the people there was a priest also was there. The priest said that stop, don't think to drag. Before dragging, you think about this statue. It is a big secret, I think so. And if you drag the statue inside the city, means it is a calamity. Means you are dragging inside the city a big calamity. So before dragging this statue, you think 100 times. But the soldiers were not in mood and not in mind to think about that priest's suggestion. Even people were also not in mind to think about the suggestion of that priest, because they were so happy and in that mood they decided that here to drag the statue inside the city. And then they are what here, because they were tired of that war. Soldiers also and plus common people were also. Then again there was another question. The gate was not so big to get the statue inside by opening it. Then there was another question in front of the Trojans, how to get this big statue inside the city. Then they looked at each others, and at last they took the decision that what, the war is already over, so there is no any necessary of this great wall. So they decided to break a little part of this wall and to drag this statue inside the city. As their decision, the priest was opposing for breaking the wall, but the soldiers and many people were not in mood to listen that priest. At last, as that their suggestion and as their plan, they broke down the great wall. And this is the big that what bad luck for the Trojans, but they could not understand. And by breaking the wall, the big statue of that wooden horse, people and soldiers, both they dragged inside the city. And as that here they dragged inside the city, people they gathered, all people were also gathered around the statue. And by seeing that statue, people were first that year astonished and wondered, yes, 9 years we fought against the Greek people, Greek army, and this is the gift of that war. Means this is that prize of that war, and we won the war, and this is that we won the prize also. And in that happiness, the whole day, all the people, soldiers as well as the people, they became so happy, and in the happiness they started to enjoy the war. They enjoyed the winning of war. That all people they came out, they made that year big feast, that and they enjoy that drug and the drink and everything they enjoy from morning to the late night. And in this way, all people they enjoyed the winning of war. And what happened next, that we will see in the next video. Thank you.